you're okay, and I hope you're ready for numbers. Today, we're going to be learning number patterns, and we're going to be doing number pairs for all the numbers. Now, a pair of numbers is two. It means something that comes in twos, like a pair of socks or a pair of eyes, okay? And so we're going to learn the number patterns for the numbers 1 to 10. Did you know numbers always make a pattern? Everything we learn in math is just a pattern. So before we start, we're going to very quickly just count 1 up to 10. I know it's very basic. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Very important. Now, we are going to start with the number pairs for 1. All right? Now, if you have your 10 frame, it looks like this. This is a double 10 frame. These make 10 and these make 10. 10 yellows and 10 greens. But we're not going to use all of them. Now, I poured out all my counters and I blocked my 10 frame in this way. I'm going to show you. I blocked it in this way so it can help me pick up the number pairs. Now, we're just going to block out the first one. So we have one space, just one. We're starting with 1. Now, if we take a yellow and put it there, we have 1 yellow and no greens. That's all we have. That's all the space we have. So here we're going to put 1, 1. And for green, I'm just looking for my green chalk, we're going to put the 0. And therefore, our number pair there is 1 and 0. Now, suppose we take out the yellow and we put a green instead. What do we have? We have this time a 0 yellow and 1 green. And therefore, our number pair at this point is 0 and 1. So this pair of numbers added together make this number. That's what we mean by number pairs. And what we did is that we picked a tune of a song we like. It's called Alouette. It's a French song about a bird. And we turned it to help us. We put in words to help us remember our number pairs. So, Alouette, I know my number pairs. Alouette, I know my number pairs. Number pairs for 1. Number pairs for 1. 1 and 0. 0 and 1. Ah. Alouette, I know my number pairs. Alouette, I know my number pairs. Now, if you have your 10 frame pack, you also have your little booklet, which will help you to make sense of it. Now, it starts with the number 1, in case you're still struggling to write your numbers. This will help you trace the number. We also have 1 in words. Looks a little weird, but that's how we write 1 in words. And then you have the little 10 frames in the worksheet. Now, when you put a little, so color and write the number pairs for 1. If you put a yellow there, which looks like this, that is the same as this one, right? It means there's 1 yellow and 0 green, and that's a 1 and 0. If you put a little green there, which would mean it's the same as this one, right? So 0 and 1 are the number pairs. Now, if you come to the next page, which is just practice, write the number pairs for 1. So 0 and 1, 1 and 0. And then and plus means the same thing. If you say 1 and 0, that's the same as 1 plus 0. So if 1 and 0 makes 1, 1 plus 0 makes 1. And that's how you work out this part. Now, what we're trying, you can add using your fingers, you can add using the number line, but we're also trying to get you to see the number pattern so fast that you don't even need to use your fingers, you don't even need to use the number line, and you can quickly know 1 and 0 makes 1 from the song, from practice, right? And then when we get to the bigger numbers, it will make it so much easier. Well done. I hope you enjoyed this part of the video. Feel free to go back to any part that you don't remember, whether it's the number frame, the 10 frame, whether it's the shading, whether it's the song. In fact, I encourage you to sing the song all the time because it's going to help you to never forget. Thank you. See you next time for the number pairs for 2.